Hello, Sam.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I hope everything is okay. Hello.
Good morning, Sam. How are you?
I'm saying I hope everything is okay.
Yeah, everything is fine. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Perfect, perfect. Everything is very good.
That's great. That's great. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we are starting with the.
Yeah. Static websiting.
Okay,
So we'll let's see how static website is working in this
okay,
thing. So let me start record. I forgot yesterday. I think that was disturbed actually. So once after restart my system.
no problem.
Yeah. Yeah. Sharing.
Okay, verification.
Yeah. Let's create a bucket. So before this, let's discuss a small
Oh, yeah.
theory related. Let's discuss related to this website. How we
Okay,
need to host. So actually, so for suppose this is a static website.
I'll just log into my AWS account.
Okay,
Just
that's good. Just keep with you.
just
Just
give me
keep.
1 minute.
Yes.
So just so it's asking for code, so I have to log
Okay.
into.
Okay. 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 Fine. No problem.
Hello.
Yes, I'm
Yes.
here. I'm here.
Yes. So meeting got disconnected. So
Okay, shall we start?
yeah, everything is good. Yeah,
Okay, let me start regarding.
everything is good. Yeah.
Okay,
Let's start.
I'm sorry. So now we are going to discuss about static website hosting in S3. So how I am planning is initially, so I'll create some files in my local system in my laptop or laptop. Okay, I'll create a file some content in this file. I'll keep a file name. Uh, some my name. I'll give my name dot txt. Okay. So next I'll create other file is error error dot txt. Okay. So these two files are txt files. The extension is txt. So let's create these files. So then um, this is actually my AWS account. Okay, in S3. So I'll create bucket. Okay, in this. So what I will do is first I'll send this file into here. Okay, and also I'll send this file into my local system too in S3. Okay, initially I'll do this. I'll upload this. Okay,
Yes.
so I'll upload these two files. Okay, send in the sense using uploading. I will upload these two files in S3. So then what will happen, where I'll keep in S3, static web hosting will be there. So there, so I'll keep index.html. You know this already. So we tried already this. So I'll keep
Mm-hmm.
these two files in this index.html. The file one is this one. Okay, Lokesh, the name is Lokesh I mentioned dot txt. Okay, I'll also keep other file which is the name called error dot txt. This file also I'll keep here. Okay, so once you create this static website, you will get one link. Okay, which means URL. This URL you will share with the public. Okay, this URL you will share with the public. Okay, so whatever the content you keep in this static website, that will be displayed to public. How? So actually your file was here. Okay, whenever I upload, the file is here. That file is actually going through this index.html through this URL. So this URL is sharing with the public. Okay,
Okay.
for suppose if something happened to my main file, my website, or it is in maintenance, or it is down something at that moment, so then what will happen is this website is currently maintenance, or there is some error, so it should show some this actually. So then whenever it is not happen, then it will work through like this.
Okay. It will go through the index.html.
Yes, it will go through index through itself, but it will display error file. So then only, for suppose Google also, Google error, whenever something happened to the Google will display some
Somewhere the
content. Okay, Google error content.
and why does it have to go through index.html only?
Index.html is actual hosting file. That
Okay.
is standard.
Yeah, HTML I know that is used for making the websites and all. That's
Yes.
HTML code and all.
For a website hosting, you need to keep that in index.html default file.
Okay, so the okay, and even the location.txt and error.txt. You have to put inside that folder only, inside that directory
Yes, that
where it
directory.
HTML.
Yes, yes, same directory.
Okay.
Okay,
Which
so
is
this,
which is var underscore www dot html.com, right? That one, right?
yeah, actually that is actually where triple w index.html, that is for
Yes.
index.html, that is for hosting through uh, nginx or some other httpd server.
Okay.
Okay, but here actually we don't have that much of
Yes.
setup. It is easy setup, just need to upload that in static website through some file.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
But
the remaining things will be taken care by s3 itself.
okay, yeah.
That is
Before we were doing.
very simple step.
Okay.
Okay, so same like Google also, something happened to the Google also will show something like this, right? No, not found, or some error file 404 error, something like this, 505 or bad connection, something like this. So same thing, so we are going to do now. Okay, so shall we do, let's get started. So I'm going
Yes.
to create a bucket name is, I'll keep same name, Cloud DevOps. My channel name, this is Cloud DevOps Lokesh. I'll keep web hosting like this. Maybe it will accept, I think so. Let's see. Is it accepted? Yeah, maybe. Okay. So next, allow this. Next, public. Enable public. It's already blocked. Next, acknowledge it. And bucket versioning not required. Let's keep like this. Tags also keep. So I'm going to create it. Create a bucket.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we'll add the file.
Yeah. So just bucket created. After creating bucket, just need to enable static website hosting. Yesterday we discussed.
Yes. So we'll add the file.
Properties.
Permissions.
This, see this static website hosting,
Yes.
right? First we need to enable this static website hosting. It will be disabled default. So for that we need to edit static website hosting. Okay. So let's enable this. Okay. Host to static website. Okay. See this? You see index.html and error.html. See, this is just example it is showing. So same thing I'm following actually. Okay. You can see, so before doing this, we have to do something as we planned. So we have to
Yeah.
create these two files in our local system. Correct. So let me try to create some files in local system. Notepad. Okay, in this notepad I'll keep, oh yeah, so I'll keep here, welcome to Cloud DevOps. That's it. Okay, this is my content. I'm just going to keep something, save. I'll keep here, what is the file name, Lokesh. I'll keep my name only,
Yeah, yeah.
dot txt. Okay, this is extension is txt. I'm keeping in desktop. Okay, save. And I'm going
And
to create other file.
error file.
I'll keep here 404
Error file.
something. Okay, error file. Okay, so your site is down. Okay, something like this. Okay, anything. Okay, let's keep this name error dot txt. Okay,
Yes.
and I'm going to keep this on top of my desktop. Save. Let's keep. Okay, these two files are available, right?
Yes.
So next, so now index dot document error, these two just keep like this. I'll I'll just enable this, whatever the static website, just enabled it. This is for example it is showing. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Okay, this index.html, error.html I created and kept with me. That's it. So we'll do this
Mm.
later. Okay, let's save these
Yeah,
changes.
but can you scroll a little bit more above, slightly? Mm.
Okay, index.html, the uh, one character. Okay, one second. I'm going to keep index.html. HTML. Oh, wait. I think it is not HTML. I think we mentioned Lokesh, right?
Yeah.
I'll keep Lokesh
Dot
dot txt.
dot txt.
Yes, I'll keep my name. And other
Yep.
one is error dot txt.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I'll keep error dot txt. These files actually, it is recommended HTML, but actually in our case we created text documents.
Right, fine. Can you scroll a little bit up? I just want to see what features we. Okay, you'll do enable and then
I just enabled here first actually static website.
that's all.
So that's all. So I, here actually hosting type is static hosting website. Actually it is itself the default, it is actually showing
Right,
host static website. Actually my intention is to host static website only.
right. And then we have to save a file and
We
name the
have
file.
to keep our file names because it should be redirect to our files. The
Yes.
same names actually I forgot, but thanks for letting me know. Again, whatever the file content which I've created, the name with the file, that
Yeah, that's
name
best.
I have actually creating with the same name.
I got
That's
it.
it, nothing else. I'm going to save the changes.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, can I?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, thank you. So that's just to save it. And now we need to upload. Okay, so wait 1 second. Okay, let's close this. Where is buckets? Yeah, this is buckets in this. So I'm going to upload here files in bucket. There is upload. Yeah, so these two files I'm going to upload. What is that? Lokesh, Lokesh, and error. These two files uploading. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So I just uploaded. Next, I want to make it this public.
Permissions.
Yeah, see this grant public read access.
Yeah.
So this is what we did in the first class.
Yeah.
We have not enabled this public grant access. That's why we troubled little bit. So then next, so I just make it as a public now
Upload.
and nothing else. This is only permission we have to give now, and let's upload. If I get any kind of error, and so we'll come back and we'll see that. Okay, so these are all uploading and uploaded. Close, right? So here we are actually giving like lokesh.txt in index for web browser, and the file which is in our system both should be the same name. For example, if you give the name with the lokesh lokess.txt, but you mentioned that at the time in the properties while you are enabling that static website, so at the time if you give the name as
Yes, sir.
capital letter, for suppose I just mentioned here with capital Lokesh, it will not accept.
Okay.
Okay, so the name should be same as a file name,
Yeah.
right? So that's what I did. I uploaded the two objects in this. The object is in the form of text.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to provide one URL to the customer now. Okay, so first you need to go to the bucket. Where is that? No, it is not bucket. This is bucket. So click here. Um, it's properties, right? In this properties, website hosting will be there. Yeah, this is a link. Okay, you just need to provide this to your customers or public. Brave. I'm just opening this. I'm going to paste here. See, can you see this?
Yes, you can see.
Welcome to Cloud DevOps. Actually, this site is running through S3 hosting. So
Yes.
remaining things will be taken care by AWS. We don't need to worry about this. These kind of, if you have any kind of simple simple HTML format website, you can able to host here. Okay, so this is what. And for suppose in any case something happened. For suppose in any case you just delete this. In our case, something happened to this file.
Yeah.
Let's delete this. Okay.
Then to error.
Yeah, it should. So first, I'm going to delete it first, or else without. Why should I delete? I'll do some changes. Let me once. This is risky. Again, I have to do again all the things. Let me do one thing. I will utilize options, permissions. Let's edit. So this so object level read permissions I'm going to remove. So object level, right? Not bucket.
Or
Okay,
this.
I'm just removing object level permissions. Read also. Let's see. I'll remove it if it is through any error. Let's see that. So again, try to access. So it is not allowing. Let me again try with 1 second. I need to do that in bucket only. Sorry, object level only. But I
Yeah, everyone. That this one you need to change. Yeah, this one.
yes. So everyone read access. I'm just removing it.
It was already removed when we clicked.
Is it okay? Fine.
There or actually.
Okay, fine.
I see. This.
So let me do this in object level, not bucket level. So I'm going inside the object. I'm going inside object. Okay. Permissions. Now it is good actually. So this is good exercise. Let me uncheck this actually. So now I just block read access. Let
Uh-huh.
me try to do some changes. Again, go back to the Brave and try to access now.
No, it will not happen.
Let's see. So actually, let us cross check once again whether this bucket is working or not. Just give me 1 second. Okay, save this. Save this. Bucket level. Actually, I did changed something in this bucket level. Let me cross check once again. Okay. So earlier, is this checked or not?
No, no, it was not checked.
Not checked. Okay. Bucket. In this bucket, go to properties. This, this website. This. Welcome to Cloud DevOps. So now it is working fine. Actual bucket is working fine now. So I'll do changes in the object level. So I'll open object, this object. In this object, I'll go permissions. In this permissions, I'm going to block read access. So I'm not allowing this read access now. Let's save changes. So again, now here try to refresh.
Now it will not come. It will,
Should
it
not show. Yeah, yeah.
will not show.
See this? 404 error. Your site is down. It is not showing any kind of your content, actual content, but it is showing error file.
Yeah, because error file is the red is checked.
Yes. So it is redirecting. So whatever two files you mentioned in this, so one file, if something happens, so at the time it is showing that so something maintenance is going on. Your site is not available or your site is down. It is giving some kind of instruction like this. Same
Correct.
same way you can also follow
But if
this.
we but if we block the public access, this will also not show.
Definitely that is bucket level permission, public level.
Right, right.
If you block the bucket, definitely it is also will not show. So I changed actually permissions in object level.
Object level for lokesh.txt.
Exactly. So I blocked only lokesh.txt file. I just unchecked or I blocked public access to the lokesh.txt,
That's
and
right.
other file is actually working now. So what content is showing here with 404 error? Your site is down now. So this is how actually, if you want to maintain your site, you can use. This is actually one kind of advantage if you use S3 hosting. You can also keep like this whenever you are in the maintenance time. So you can use this kind of information. You can give your customers or your users.
Right. And uh, we changed only the object level. But let's say you said that if there is, if in the properties section we mentioned the name of the file.
Yeah, can I open?
Now, since if we change the name of the file, we read this file and we then upload the file again by changing the name of the file.
Ah, yes. At that
Let's
time
see.
it doesn't works.
Let's see whether it will give the error message or it will.
It will not respond. So I will show you. So I'll go to the bucket first. In this bucket, so what we have done is I'll open this bucket and I'll go to the static website properties. So in this website hosting, so I will change it as capital letter L. Okay, so which means both files will not match, right? So I will save it. So then it will not work. I will enable the object. Okay.
It is already enabled. That object
No, no,
level.
no. Actually, currently it is in off state, right? Lokesh. So I will try to go object. I will go to the permissions. I will try to enable the public first. Okay. So I will try to access. Now it is in, you can read it. Public enable to read it. So you can save this. And in this condition, so we'll go and try to refresh this page. Or I will use the same. Let me go to this bucket and this properties. Again, I'll take that link. Maybe caches also will always disturb, right? So I will use somewhere other different browser. Okay. So I'll paste here. You see, 404 error. Your site is down. Okay. So it is at this in this case also it is not working. You see, Sam. Actually, I enabled public read access, but the thing is that index.html, whatever it is there, that Lokesh
File is
original text file and the site website hosting content is not matching. That is the reason it is bypassing through error.txt file.
right,
Correct.
right.
So actually it is enabled. For example, I will try to change it as exactly the same matching name. Okay. I will try to change it as small l. Okay, now save now
Now
and
it
try
will
to
work.
refresh. Try to hit refresh.
Yeah, it will work now.
Now it should work,
Yeah.
right? So this is how we can able to utilize website hosting option in this S3, right?
Yes.
So yeah, shall we do practice today? Whatever we have discussed earlier.
Yeah, no, no problem.
Okay. So let's close this and let's focus on the practice today. And once after finishing this, I'll go for next replication related topics tomorrow.
No problem. So this will be done now. Like, I think 10 minutes it will be done.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay. When if you are very much faster, then it will be very much.
Yeah, I will do it. I will do it now.
That's
Right.
great. That's great.
Will-
Okay.
will-
So let me stop sharing screen. Okay, I'm waiting for your screen. So till website hosting we'll do now. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You can
Yeah.
see my screen.
Yes, I can see
Okay, great.
clearly.
So, okay, now let's. I'll create two.
Two buckets.
Yeah, I'll create two buckets. First, I'll create two.
You can create one public bucket and the other one is private bucket.
Yeah, yeah, I'll create that. But this I'll first create. I'll create two files.
Okay.
We'll do this together. Uh,
So you can continue this. So I'll come back in 2 minutes. I'll have some
right,
water.
right. Yeah, please, please.
You can upload both files at a time. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see first.
No, you need to save the file first.
Okay, yeah, first of all,
Give the grant permissions.
see if it's both. Yeah, I give to both, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Both are given.
Yeah. Now try to access.
Right.
Yes, it's working.
Yeah. So okay. Correct. Now if I go here, change the permissions.
No, 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 no. You just go. No, no, no. Wait, wait. What is this? No, you need to go inside the bucket permissions. It is this is actually bucket permission. You need to go object permissions.
Oh, I went to the object permission only. I
Yeah,
went.
object, right? This is bucket, and this is okay. 1 second, Sam. 1 second, 1 second. It's
Yeah.
no, no, no. Can you go back to the buckets? Okay. Click on buckets. Now click on the switch cat text.
I was doing exactly that.
Can you click on that? No, don't check it. Just click on it. Yes. Now try to go permissions.
It's the same thing.
No, 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 no. Go to permissions. Now you can edit.
It's the same thing.
No, no, no. That is actually bucket level. This is object level. By
Okay.
default,
Okay. Let's. Okay. Okay.
let's uncheck it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So
This is
what?
bucket level permissions.
So shouldn't it be the same if you do like this?
No, 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 no.
How?
Not at all.
How?
See, these objects, properties, permissions, metrics, management, access, these are options are related to bucket.
Okay.
So once if you click on the particular bucket itself, then it will display your permissions.
That's right.
Can you open this switch card once? No, click
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
directly on the object.
Right. 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 Nee, that I understood. But I'm saying whether see I am anyways trying to choose Swiss card.
Hmm?
Whether I directly click here or whether I check here and then go to permissions, it will be the same, right?
No. So actually, as I told you yesterday,
Yeah,
if you block the bucket level permissions, whatever the objects are there, those objects will be blocked completely. But
that's
actually,
what.
instead of keeping error, actually you want to see the error output.
Yeah,
So only you are blocking only object inside the thing you are actually blocking,
yeah, that's
not
right.
entire the bucket, not entire the box.
But sir, this is not entire bucket, right? It's a bucket level would be this. If we completely block both of them, right? But we are selecting this object. See, what I'm saying is, see, I choose this. Let's say I choose this and I delete this. So this will be deleted. Or if I if I even if I go inside and then I delete this will be the same thing. Edit,
No,
delete.
no, Sam. No, 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 Sam. Go back once. I'll tell you here, if you check mark, for example, if you check the box, okay, some options are appear, right? Blue color related, copy URL, download, delete, these are all related to bucket. But
Yeah.
whatever the on top of this object properties, permissions, metrics and management, these all comes under uh, this is
Yeah.
bucket level permissions. If you want particularly object level permissions, you need to click on the particular object.
You have to go inside.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
That's
now permissions is related to, these permissions are related to only object.
okay. Okay.
So if
Fine.
you block, for example, now you are blocking read permissions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now if you check on this, then
Yes. Just now save the changes. Now try to access the same link. Try to hit refresh.
now this will not work. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go to this and let's do this. What does it show? It will show. I have to ask you one thing. So see, just like this, it in this object also, right? In this object also. Hello.
Yeah, Sam, I missed it.
Yeah. In this object also, here everyone is also like this. Is red and this also. So
Hmm.
let's say if we do this, it should be the same. Should we try?
Yes, try once.
And first, what I will do is first I will go and make the default change.
Hmm.
First, then I'll okay, block. I'll open the access. Sorry, permissions, edit. Okay, now I can read it.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. This is the default one.
Yeah.
So this is default. This is the default. Fine. Now we go here. We go here, and now we do this. Permissions. But here there is an object level and there is a bucket level.
Hmm.
So if we read this, because there that time we were also trying out many options and we saw something.
Hmm.
So if we do this, then what will happen? Because this is also bucket level. Then we are actually allowing everyone, not just one object, but all the objects which are in that bucket to be publicly accessible.
Hmm.
So let's see, in this case, if this happens, this is working actually. But I guess we should block that.
Hmm.
Let's see, we should block this first, and then we'll see if it works. Permissions. This. Let's see if I now I have stopped it for the time being. So now this is not object level. This I have blocked,
Yes.
but still it's working. See, that is what I'm saying. So
Yes.
it is the same thing, sir. Whether we go from there or there. See, that is what I was saying. See, now what I've done is object level, I have blocked this. Object level, what I've done is object level I went and then we have blocked the read access. So now it
Yes.
should not work. It should not work. But what we did was we went to the bucket, and then we checked on this, we checked on permissions, and what we did was we went down to the ACL thing. We went here, and then at bucket level we opened this. So now it is still working. Though I blocked the object level read access I blocked, but here bucket level I gave access to, but now it's working. See,
Yeah,
that
100%, 100%, Sam. So which means actually that is actually specifically for bucket. So if you allow, for example, I'll tell you some small example. So actually, your house is there. Okay. So your remaining all the doors are open, but your house main door completely closed. How can you go inside? For
mostly.
example, your doors, your remaining small blocks, small rooms are open, closed. If you open your bucket, for suppose, I mean, your house, you go inside, right? At least minimum.
Yes,
You using your main door, you can go inside. If you close the main door, definitely remaining will be closed. If you
yes.
block the bucket level, completely block the bucket level, even you can't, even if it is open for the object level also, you can't see.
Hmm.
But if you enable bucket level, so you can able to access the object level. If you close bucket level, if you disable bucket level, if you enable object level also, it doesn't works.
Yeah, bucket level is bigger.
Bucket level 100% bigger, that is only main point. So if you keep public in bucket level, if you want to keep if you want to block in objects level also, we can have, we do have that much option also.
Yes,
Bucket level is bigger.
yes.
You are keeping your objects inside your bucket. Okay, for example, if there is a box, you are keeping your things in box, because so that box is very bigger, you can keep everything in that box. That box is here is bucket.
Yes, got it.
Sam, actually, this is fine, right? Close. Shall
Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah,
close?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
Sam,
But
actually,
now it is somehow not working. I don't know. See,
uh-huh.
oh,
What is it?
what I'm trying is, see, what I did was again, but maybe it takes time to do it.
It will
What
take.
I did was now it is not working. What I did was just at the bucket level, I gave the permission of
Hmm.
read.
Hmm.
Then I checked this,
Okay.
saved it, but now it is not working. I don't know.
Can
Maybe
you
what
please open
happens
it? Can you please open it again?
it
Permission.
takes a few seconds to refresh because now it's not working. Even the bucket level, I have given permission, but at object level, it is
Object,
good.
did you open it or did you close it?
Object level, it is closed, but the bucket level, it is open.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
See,
can you please open that permissions?
this is slightly confusing, but I got
No, no,
it.
no,
But
no, no, no. We have to do multiple times. We have to do multiple ways. So then you will get clarity. Okay. First, you do
bucket
one thing. You just keep a write. Just write in notepad. First, go to notepad.
level,
Go to notepad. So, oh yeah, here. First, keep object. First, keep bucket public.
bucket.
Bucket public. I mean bucket read access. Hello. Okay. Public or read whatever. Okay. Public read access. Next, object private. Object block read access.
Hmm. Yeah.
No, no, no. Open Excel, Sam. It will be easy actually. You need to write side by side. So you need to do
No,
okay.
here we write now.
So beside only, you just after yellow, just keep some equal or hyphen. You just continue to write.
Okay.
First actually in bucket level, we are actually allowing public access.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Right. First thing is fine. And an object level also we are allowing the access.
Yes.
Right. So we have, yeah. So this is,
Okay.
see, this is the object level. Sorry, this is the bucket level.
Hmm. 1 second. I'll tell you.
Bucket bucket level is red.
Bucket first to read access. Okay.
Access.
Object you can keep read also. This is one case. Okay. The second
Yeah,
case
you can
is
check
bucket
this.
read.
Yeah, you can check both. It is same thing. List and read. Bucket level and also object level checked. Fine.
Okay. So 1 second. If you close block, if you block
Then will
bucket,
not be read. Then we
yes.
blocked.
Wait. Read.
Mm-hmm.
First, I'm telling actually for bucket you need to keep read access. Object read. What will happen? It will be public. It will be accessible.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So for example, bucket is read. Okay.
Mm,
If you close the object level,
yeah.
so then actually you are closing the object level already. So it should not work, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
Right? It should not work.
Right.
It should not work. Next, for example, you closed bucket, entire bucket. Okay. And you opened object also.
Then it will not work.
It will not work. So this is the case actually.
Yeah, got it. Got it. Fine.
Yeah, I will share you one thing.
No, no, no. We can even figure out from here. See, if we have
Yes.
given access to read, we have given access at the bucket level to all the objects. Read access to all the objects. Read access to all the objects. So
Hmm.
now we are saving it
Yes.
at the object level, at the bucket level, both list and read. Read. Fine.
Hmm.
Save.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we will go here. Fine. So it is giving the error message because
Error,
at
error. You are getting error in the sense it is not working.
at the no, 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 it is fine. It is the at object level Swiss is closed.
Yeah, that's what. Swiss is not
Yeah,
working. It means
that is why. But error is open. So this thing. So
error
this
is
is
open.
now if I read this
Yes.
object level,
Yes.
object level or whatever. I think this one. I guess now this will work.
Hmm.
I think this will work.
Refresh.
Correct. Fine. Got it.
Right.
Yeah.
And if you block object and bucket, definitely it won't work.
Then it will not work.
Yes.
Correct. Fine. Fine. And now second thing. Second thing.
Yeah.
This one is done.
First bucket is read. You can
Yeah.
keep bucket is read. Object you block it.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
done.
Bucket you already keep
Yeah.
in read. Bucket is should be public. And
Mm-hmm.
object you block it.
Right. Right. So it will not work.
It will not work. Definitely it will not work. So then in this case, it will redirect to it will work. Which one it will work whenever it is whatever the file is there, that file whatever the file is to read access to the public, that will work in the
Yeah. That.
same object, in the same bucket. So
Mm-hmm.
it will block whatever unread access, and whatever the read access is available, that will display to the public,
Yes.
which is error,
Mm-hmm.
right? So means whatever, what is this name static, what is that name you kept?
Sam static web hosting.
No, not this, in content you something kept cart.
Start. Yeah.
Yes, that cart, whatever that Swiss cat. This
Yes.
switch card, when you block this switch card, so then what it will do is bucket
Error.
S3 bucket will allow first switch card will be blocked, and whatever the public access is there, which means error is access to the public now. Now it will go through this way, error bucket,
Error.
error object. So then at that moment, whenever you block switch card, so then error message will be displayed because it is in public.
Yes, yes.
So if you keep a public object bucket also, and if you block this object, whatever the objects are there in bucket, so then it will not work.
Not work.
It will not work. So other case is if you block bucket,
Yes.
if you block bucket and if you open object, let's see now,
Will not work.
it will not work. Okay, because you blocked entire bucket. So how does it enter,
Of course.
right? This is the case.
Right. So
This is actually the logic is actually true or false. That's it. True false logic.
yes, yes, yes. You can check this. You can see
Yeah.
object level permission.
Object level permission you keep it open.
Yeah.
So on bucket level you just block it.
Yeah. This is the blockade.
Yes. Save.
So it will not work.
Now try. Now try.
Error message will show because error message we have not done
Yeah.
any.
Error message will show.
Okay.
So actually it takes time or you need to use other browser.
Okay. Let's see.
Not working. Definitely it is blocking entire. You blocked. What is this?
Swiss card is showing.
No. Sam, actually you blocked entire bucket, right?
Yeah, yeah. I blocked entire bucket.
Then it should not work, right? According to logic.
Yeah, according to logic, it should not. See, I'll, I'll show you again. I blocked it actually. See, see.
Permissions.
Permissions should not work.
So you shown okay. You kept object is read. Okay,
Level is
bucket you closed, right?
yeah. It will not make much difference if even if I uncheck this, it will be the same thing. Not it will not make much difference.
No. Object you opened.
Object is
Object you opened
closed.
for the
Closed.
public. Object you opened for
Yeah,
the public, and bucket you closed it. Correct.
that's right. Bucket it's closed. Read access, close, and I check this.
Okay.
I save this,
Hmm.
and then I go here. It is still showing Swiss card. And just to confirm, I might have
One
forgotten.
second. One second. No.
Here,
1 second. 1 second, Sam. Okay. Can you go for permissions here? Check once.
that's what I'm saying. Let me just confirm. But read is there.
Read is there. Correct. Read
Correct.
is there for object.
Object.
Correct. Let's good. That's good. Just check it. You need to acknowledge it.
The,
Okay. So now go to bucket. Individually we'll go to bucket. No, it is working actually. It should not.
that's what.
So go to the bucket. Individually we are going. So we should not go like this. Confused. Okay, I got a call. One second. Sam, 1 minute. It's urgent call.
Yeah, yeah. Please, please, please.
Hello. Sam, are you there? Yeah, Sam, I'm back. I'm back.
Okay.
Yeah, go to bucket once. So yeah, bucket now permissions. Go to permissions without touching any object. Yeah, let us go like this manual way. Let's try way. Let's try this way. Start. So now object. Okay, yeah, bucket is closed. Correct. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second, Sam. 1 second. So bucket your owner permissions. Okay,
Uh-huh.
owner permission
Yeah,
is actually read access, right?
that's right.
So can you close that also?
Okay, just a second. I'm closing.
No, no. Yes. Now save.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Save this. So now try to hit refresh.
No, it's not changing anything.
Can you share with me the same link?
Of course. Yes.
Yeah, I could see.
Mm-hmm.
So I could see. So little why it is not working? Okay. Again, can you go to the bucket once again?
Yep. Yes.
This is error
Yep.
actually. If you block bucket also, you could able to see in the sense it's not right. So what is the meaning of
Yeah.
public, right? What is the meaning of read and write access for the enter bucket level?
Yes. Yes. Actually, that is what I'm asking.
Mm, okay. Go to the permissions again. And then okay. So write access. Okay, that's fine. 1 second. Public access. Object. If you close object, definitely we can't see the object content. And so in this case, what we have to do is we should, if you want to block entire
Uh-huh.
bucket, you need to
Yep.
block entire public. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So there is no
Mm,
alternate way. Actually, if you want to block in bucket level, so you should not give the access to the public. That's it.
yeah, I think that's yeah, but that has to be done right from the start when we're creating the bucket. ASL disabled and public off.
Yes,
But
yes,
in that case, we will not be able to give object level permissions.
correct,
That will be the issue
correct.
uh, at that point.
This last point is not working fine actually. If you want to block this bucket level
Mhm.
and
Yeah,
you are allowing object level read permissions, so then even though it should not work.
yeah, it should not work. That is what we were thinking.
Okay. So earlier, I don't so can you go to the chat GPT once?
Yes, yes, yes. Chat GPT. Okay. Chat GPT. Yes.
So now try to. try to type. So in S3 bucket, so blocked, we have blocked bucket read access.
Bucket, we have
We have blocked bucket read access
bucket read access
and
and
we allowed object level read access,
object level
read access. So
access.
in this case,
This
what would be the result? See this object bucket level read access is blocked and object level is allowed. So result is behavior. The actual access depends on what trying to. Can you scroll a bit?
yeah, yeah. If I am policy, okay.
Okay. So there is no block or can you scroll down? Scroll up, scroll up. Yeah. It will not go. Scroll up, please. Scroll up. So
Okay,
it
okay.
will not work. The
Mm-hmm.
result is should not work.
You won't be able to see the objects exists in the.
100%, 100%. Even ChatGPT is telling that if you block bucket level, whatever the object is there, if you keep it open also, it should not work.
Yes, of course. But
See,
here,
users won't be able to see the object exist in the bucket, even if it is exit in the bucket also, even if you open to the public also, but you closed it in the bucket
mm,
level, so then it should not see. So,
that's
but
right.
yeah, this is actually even in our logic, we also standing on the same point.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
AWS is not actually it is permitting. It is actually reversely working. Okay, this is actually
Right.
error point. Okay,
Yeah,
this is error
that's,
point from AWS, not
yeah,
from our side.
that's right.
Okay, let's. I'll work out on this. How to close manually? Can you ask the ChatGPT how to? What is the what are the steps I have to follow manually in S3 for the above question? In S3, for the above question, right? Give me the navigation. Hello, give step by step or give step by step. That's it. That's it. Enter. Just enter.
Entered only.
Okay, 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 okay. So it is hanging. One minute, taking time. It is generating. Copy this question. Copy, copy, copy that question.
Okay.
Okay, copy that and refresh the page.
Oh,
Oh, it's okay. You didn't logged in. Oh God, it's okay. Fine.
oh.
Can you go back one step or history
Uh,
will be there? History
let's
will
see.
be there.
I don't think so it will work because I didn't log in.
Okay, you did not
Oh,
logged in, right? It's okay. No problem. Let's try again.
okay, no, no problem. What I'll do is I'll do log
If you keep logged in, it will be saved in your
that.
cache.
This is a new email, right? So that's why I did
Yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I don't use this
This
one.
is really, I'm telling, this is if in this case the error point is from AWS. I don't think AWS will not do the mistakes.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. So what was the first question? If we allow in S3, in
If you
S3
allow, if you allow read access to the bucket, if you allow read access
to
to the bucket level permission,
and
and blocking.
block, if we block
Yeah, yeah, block here. Bucket level is blocked. Blocked. We blocked.
read
Uh,
access.
yes, permission. And object level is object level read permissions.
Deny object level access. This is the go to console, create bucket, test, block all, leave, block all, check, create bucket, upload a file, and then it's saying this. Go to new bucket, function start,
So in this case, ChatGPT is suggesting that
yeah,
you need to block ACL permission. That's it.
yeah, exactly, the same thing.
Yeah.
Right.
So the only option is actually you need to block ACL permission. That's it.
Yeah,
So
that's what it is.
you should not open bucket level permissions as block level permissions, and object level permissions should be keep in public also, read access also. So if you want to block in bucket level, you need to close ACL permission, not like
Yeah,
this.
complete, but if public,
Complete complete ACL permission should be closed. Then only you could not others could not be accessed and you could not be accessed.
yeah, that's
So
right.
this is the way.
This is the way.
Yeah.
Okay. By then save read access. This by default. Okay, now this is done. So next was, so what do I do next? Create another bucket or something?
No. That's it, right? I think you can able to create bucket easily. I know that.
Yeah,
So already small topics that are already covered in this.
yeah, we covered, right. So
Yes,
this was the
covered.
exercise to create and
So you know
and
already how to create a bucket, how to delete the bucket, and this part you did not do, right? So
which one?
versioning part.
Yeah, the versioning part I'll do now. I can do this. I can do like this, right? I can do to text,
Yes.
or maybe I can add I can add another file. Maybe I'll add.
Actually, while you are creating bucket itself, you need to enable the version.
Yeah, you can enable. I just did not because I thought
Yes.
maybe I can just go to this and maybe permissions.
So if you can able to do, you can try to enable. So in
Version.
bucket level,
Okay, okay, okay.
enable bucket level versioning. I'm
Uh,
asking.
I think bucket level. Yeah,
Yes,
bucket level.
bucket level. So you will see the option versioning here. Properties.
We can go to properties.
Yes, properties. Go last.
Versioning,
Here,
versioning.
here
Yeah.
itself. Yeah. So now enable it.
Enable I'll do so it will be
Yeah.
enabled.
Right. Now you did right. That's good.
So, yeah. So either we do it while making the bucket or we can later also do it.
Yeah, yeah, we can do that. That's not a big deal. So
So
otherwise,
now
if this option is
go
not
here.
available, this is a very big problem.
Correct. So
We
we
can
go here.
enable, disable versioning anytime.
Right. Okay. So now this we can create version. So
No,
I
no, no, no. Show the versions. Can you please click on the radio button on show versions once?
show versions there.
Ah,
Okay,
no, no,
right.
no. Here itself. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm asking. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You can uncheck market. I mean, radio button close.
Okay,
So
done.
now it's fine. If you try to delete anything,
Delete this one.
yeah, anything,
So this one I will delete.
delete, delete it. See this. This is not asking permanent delete. Delete in the sense you just hiding it, which means
That's the marker behind the marker.
yes, we are hiding in the marker. We are keeping this in hiding in marker. And go back. Try to yes. Now try to show versions.
This is
Yes.
the marker.
Now it is delete marker. You just need to delete the marker now, and it will
If
go back to the same
delete
position.
it, it will go to the same position.
Yeah, delete permanently now. This marker.
It's this one.
Now it will ask permanent delete. So
This will
can you
come.
go back to the buckets and check once?
This is here.
This is bucket only, right? So you got it.
Uh, it's there.
That's great, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Nothing. So if you
Yeah.
delete the versions, you should never get this.
Then I will
Version.
not get this. Yeah. Once I
Yes,
delete the version. Correct.
yes, yes.
Correct.
That's it. It's a kind of backup.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'll delete this. Version is on, right?
Yeah. It is there.
I'll delete the version. This one last step.
Yeah, yeah. No problem. You deleted version?
I deleted this. Now it will show, right? I
No, no,
deleted.
no. If you delete version, it doesn't show. That is
Oh,
the main file actually.
okay. Right. So okay, I checked on this and then I deleted. That's why I deleted the version. Okay,
Right. You deleted from versions.
got it. Fine.
Okay. Even though it is also covered. That's good.
It is also covered. It's also
Yeah.
covered. Fine. Got it, sir. This is done.
So right, almost this part done. This is all, everything covered till so
Yeah.
far. So far, whatever we had discussed, that has completely covered.
Yes.
Right.
This.
Let's go for tomorrow. Let's go with the different new topics.
Yes. Tomorrow we will do what?
Same timing.
Okay. No, no. We will do which one?
Replication. We will do some
Okay, replication.
replications,
Okay.
manual
From
process and
from
automation.
one bucket to another. Okay. The
Yes,
replication.
one bucket to another bucket. Yeah, we already had some small discussion about this, but still we did not do practically. So let us do practically from tomorrow. This replication related.
Mhm.
So next after replication, maybe we'll create some IAM rules and also We'll talk about some life cycle related also we did not do, right? And transfer acceleration also still pending.
No. Yeah.
So these things will be discussed upcoming classes,
Fine, fine.
right? Then after finishing all these things, we'll go for IIM.
Okay.
So fine. This is all about this three. This so far this much. And so Sam, you said something on Saturdays. You are going to connect with me late, right?
Uh, 12, 12:30.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Not a big deal. Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
This is done.
So let's. Why I'm asking actually. However, we are not connecting on Sundays. Maybe if we connect to more time on Saturdays, so then it will cover on Sundays also. That's what I thought. But it's okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. Because if you have off on Saturday, that's fine. But you are working, right? Then no problem at all.
Fine.
Let's go with normally. Not a big deal. Huh?
Okay, okay.
Fine,
Thank you.
Sam. Have a good time.
Yeah, yeah. Please.
Yeah. Take care. See you
Speak.
tomorrow. Bye bye.